Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. So it's very exciting that I'll be unboxing my Ipsy Glam Plus box. If you don't know about Ipsy, Ipsy is a monthly subscription service where you can get either $10 bag filled with 5 travel size items, or sometimes you might get a full size brush, and or you can upgrade to the Ipsy Glam Plus box for $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size products in the box, usually retailing over $50. I just upgraded to the plus, and I no longer get the bag for $10. I think it's just a better deal, and I love getting full-size products, and it's different than BoxyCharm. I do get both. So let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing. So here's the box for this month. I'm looking for the card. I don't see it, but I will let you know afterwards. We'll go through the card. So the first thing I see in here is an It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I believe this retails for $24, and I've just heard that a lot of people love this mascara, so it's nice to have it in the box. Next up, I have this Naked, I don't know what this is. Let's open it. Oh, so it looks like a lot of eyeshadows. There's 1, 2, 3, there's 4 eyeshadows in here, so very cool. First one you can see is sort of a gold shade, and I believe they're loose glitters or something. Next up in the box, I have a full size of the Pixie Glow Mist. This stuff is awesome. I already actually have one, and I'm almost out, so it's nice to have another one. This gives the skin a beautiful glow all day long. It makes your skin look very healthy and glowy, and I love this stuff. This is $15. I know that off the top of my head because I have purchased that several times. Next up in the box is the Pure Lease Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb Lightweight Oil-Free Gel Cream. Refreshes and moisturizes. Oily combination, normal, even, sensitive skin. So it looks like this. Little watermelons in the box. Let's go ahead and take it out. Let's see what it looks like. So it just looks like this. It's hard to kind of tell. Pure Lease Energizing Balm. So the Ritual, clean skin with Pure Lease. Blue Lotus 4-in-1 cleansing milk. Gently smooth over face, morning and night. Great for everyday use. Awesome. Beauty through Asian wisdom. So I guess this is worth $40. And I have 2 more things in the box. So I've got a deluxe size. I thought it was supposed to be full size. So I got a deluxe travel size of the Yensa BB Plus CC Full Coverage Foundation SPF 40. So it just looks like this, and I'm in the shade Light Neutral they sent me. And the last thing in the box is the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions palette, and this retails for $27. Comes with a mirror and all of these shades. Let me know down below if you want to see a look with me using this palette. It is so awesome. I got this in the box. I don't have this. It is not at my local Sephora, so I would love to do a date night smoky look with this eyeshadow palette. I'm so happy that I got this in here. I'm like ecstatic. I love Huda Beauty, the little mini Obsessions palettes. Those are like my favorite, and I own about 2. So I got the card. It says, dive in, summer's in full swing. Let's soak it up with dewy skin, beach babe waves, and shimmering budge-proof makeup looks. Guaranteed to keep those chill poolside vibes going all month long. July, Pixie by Petra Glow Mist, value $15. Then we've got Pure Lease Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb, value $45. Huda Beauty Obsessions Palette in Smoky, $27. And Naked Cosmetics 4-piece pigment set is $40. It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara in Super Black, value $24. So the overall retail value of this box for July is $151. That is a steal for $25. I think that this was an awesome box. I look forward to so many more. This was my first Ipsy Plus unboxing. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you like these types of videos and if you want to see me continue doing them. That way YouTube knows that you like them, and I know that you like them, so I can continue to do them. If you are not subscribed, I hope that you will at the end, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.